Hello, all my dear students. Welcome to Sri Jain's Rank Zone classes. Students, my name is Ajay Gulati, and I am your friend and mentor for the mathematics portion, or I can say for the quantitative aptitude portion. This is what is the name for mathematics. Students, as you can see on the screen, we will be doing the geometry chapter in this class. So, dear students, let's start with the class 8 of geometry. I know this is a lengthy topic, but because there are many concepts in this. Class 8 geometry. Okay, today I will be starting with polygons. We will be discussing polygons today. Mostly we will be discussing regular polygons. Okay, what does the word regular polygon mean? Regular polygon means a polygon which has all its sides equal and all its angles are also equal and all its angles also equal. This is what we are going to discuss today. A regular polygon. A regular polygon is one in which all the sides and all the angles are equal. Okay, dear students, finally start. The polygon which polygon which has least number, the regular polygon which has least number of sides is an equilateral triangle. Okay, dear students, it is an equilateral triangle. See what happens with an equilateral triangle. What I'm see this is an equilateral triangle. The concept which I want to discuss with you. First thing is about the interior angle. We know each of the angle is 60 degree. Each of the angle is 60 degree. Each of the angle is 60 degree. Let's talk about a square. This is a square. Each of the angle is 90 degree. All the sides are equal. Let's talk about a regular pentagon. Let me search for a regular pentagon first. Hmm, this is a pentagon. I take a regular pentagon and the last I take a regular hexagon. This is a regular hexagon. So dear students, what I mean to teach you is here all the angles are 90 degree. Here all the angles are 108 degree. Here all the angles are 120 degree. I will tell you each and everything. How does these things come? See students, first of all, what you need to do is just think about it. Let's talk about the what is the angle sum of a triangle. The angle sum is 180 degree. Why? Because it has one triangle. Okay, let's talk about this. Let's talk about a square. What is the angle sum? The angle sum of a square is what is the angle sum? See, if I draw a diagonal like this, how many triangles do I get? This is one triangle, this is second triangle. So we have two triangles, so it becomes 2 into 180 degree or 360 degree. I hope so far everything is clear to all of you. Okay, the number of triangles determine the angle sum. If I talk about this, how many triangles does this figure have? I start from one vertex only. This is one triangle, this is second triangle, this is third triangle. Okay, dear students, clear to you? So this has three triangles. So what is the angle sum? Therefore, the angle sum will be four triangles. Four triangles means 4 into 180 degree or 720 degree. Let's talk about this. I'm so sorry, where, how the hell could I do such a mistake? This is 540 degree. I was explaining pentagon, but I was thinking about hexagon. Okay, so this is a hexagon now. This has one triangle, second triangle, third triangle, fourth triangle. So hexagon has four triangles. So I can say angle sum will be 4 into 180 degree, that is 720 degree. One thing I have told you. So the thing what I want to explain is a polygon. A polygon which has n sides, we can have in a polygon which has n sides, we can have n minus 2 triangles. Okay, see, this is 6 sides, so we have 6 minus 2, that is 4 triangles. This has 4 sides, so we have 4 minus 2, 2 triangles. We can have n minus 2 triangles. Therefore angle sum will be what? Angle sum will be n minus 2 into 180 degree. This is the thing, n minus 2 into 180 degree. This is the total interior angle sum. Therefore sum of interior angles of a regular n-sided polygon is n minus 2 into 180 degree. A very beautiful concept and very important concept, and I hope I have presented it in a very convenient manner, in a very lucid manner in front of you. This part done, let's move ahead, my dear friends. With one thing you have got. Now let's move to the other thing. See, students, if I take a triangle again, I take any triangle. If I take this triangle, I produce the sides in one direction. Like this side is being produced in this side. Then I move from here to here, this side produced. Then I move from this vertex to like this, and I produce this side. I know all the angles are 60 degree. All the angles are 60 degree. What are the exterior angles? 120 degree. 120 degree. 120 degree. So what do I see? Sum of exterior angles will be what? 120 plus 120 plus 120, that is 360 degree. Okay, just give me a second. That is equal to 360 degree. How come? 120 plus 120 plus 120, that is 360 degree. I talk about a square now. If I take a square, what do I do? Yeah, if I take a square, start producing, let's say this is vertex A, B, C, and D. I start producing like AB. AB will be how much? If I produce this AB, then I have BC, I produce BC like this. If I produce CD, I produce CD like this. If I produce DA, DA produce like this. What going to happen, dear friend? This angle is 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree. This exterior angle is 90 degree. This last exterior angle is 90 degree. So what do I observe? Sum of exterior angles, sum of exterior angles will be what? 90 plus 90 plus 90 plus 90. That is, I have added 94 times. Okay, how many times I have added 94? I have added 4 times. So this is 360 degree. In a three-sided polygon also it was 360 degree. In a four-sided polygon is also it's also 360 degree. So what do I intend to explain? What I intend to explain is for any polygon, for any n-sided polygon, the main thing is for any n-sided polygon, the sum of the exterior angles, the sum of the exterior angles is always 360 degree. Okay, you have got one thing. Sum of the exterior angles is 360 degree. Sum of interior angles is equal to how much? Sum of interior angles is n minus 2 into 180 degree or 180 into n minus 360 degree. 180 into n minus 360 degree. These combine to give you 180 n. I will explain you this thing in a short while. These combine to give you 180. Okay. Interior plus exterior will give me what? 180 n minus 360 plus 360, that will give you 180 n. You need not memorize this thing because this is an obvious thing. I have just proved it. Okay, this part clear? Done. Let's move ahead. So, dear students, now comes the main thing which I intend to teach you, which I want to teach you. That is, look, whenever you are asked about the interior angles of a polygon, anything, what you will do, the best method is we will start with the exterior angle property. How many exterior angles are there? There are sum of all the exterior angles is 360 degree. I repeat again, sum of all exterior angles. Sum of all exterior angles is 360 degree. Okay, so if I take a pentagon, three side, four side, you already know. I take a pentagon, I take a hexagon, I take a octagon, I take a nonagon. Nonagon means nine sides. Okay. I take a decagon. Decagon means 12 sides. I take a dodecagon. Means 12 sides. This is how many sides? 5 sides. 6, 8, 10, 12. What is each exterior angle? What is each exterior angle? See, dear students. Each exterior angle will be what? That will be 360. To sum of all exterior angles is 360 degree. So each exterior angle is 360 divided by 5. That will give you 72. 360 degree divided by 6. That will give you 60 degree. 360 divided by 8. That will give you 45 degree. 360 degree divided by 9 will give you 40 degree. 360 divided by 10 will give you 36 degree. 360 divided by 12 will give you 30 degree. Now what can I conclude? What is each interior angle? This is the main thing. What is each interior angle? Each interior angle is how much? See, students, each interior angle is, this is 180 degree minus exterior angle. Each exterior angle is what? 360 degree divided by n. This is x. So I interior angle is 180 minus x. That is 180 minus 72. This comes out to be 108. If you can recall, few minutes back I taught you this angle is 108 degree. Didn't I teach you? 108 degree. This angle will be what? 120 degrees. Okay. Now, this is 180 minus 45, 135 degree. As the number of sides increases, okay, let me write over here. As the number of sides increases in a regular polygon, number of sides increases in a regular polygon, each exterior angle decreases, the exterior angle decreases, and the interior angle increases. Interior angle measure, the measure of an interior angle increases. So dear students, where were we? We were here. Okay. Now, what will be the measure of an interior angle of a nonagon? That will be 180 minus 40 degree. What is 180 minus 40 degree? 180 minus 40 degree is 140 degree. This will be 144 degree. This will be 150 degree of a 12-sided polygon. I hope everything is clear so far to everyone. Okay, let me move ahead. You have got this thing. Should I start with the questions now? Look, I start directly with the questions. I have taught the basics. I'm not directly starting with the questions. See, just give me a small second so that I may retrieve some questions for you. Each interior angle of a regular polygon is 180 to 144 degrees. The number of sides of the polygon is, see, what is I here? I is 144 degrees. So what will be x? X is 180 minus I, that is 180 minus 144, that is 36 degree. So number of sides is 360 by 36, that is 10 sides. I just discussed it with you a minute ago. 144 degree means this is 10 sides. Okay, let's take the next thing. Each interior angle of a regular polygon is 150 degrees. The number of sides of the polygon is, see, the number of sides used. Interior angle 150 degree, exterior angle 30 degree. How come? 180 minus 150, that is exterior angle, is equal to 30 degrees. So number of sides will be what? 360 divided by x, that is 360 degree divided by 30. That will be 12 sides. We very well know it. 150 degree gives me 12 sides. Okay. See, interior angle 140 degree, exterior angle 40 degree, number of sides 360 by 40, that is n is equal to 9 sides. Let me bring you the next question. This is the next question. We have exterior angle is equal to 20 degree, the sum of all interior angles of polygons. See students, very simple logic. What is the number of sides? Number of sides is 360 by x. This will always solve the question for you very easily, this method. So number of sides is equal to 18. Now sum of all interior angles. What is the sum of all interior angles? That will be n minus 2 into 180 degree. What is n? N is 18 minus 2 into 180 degree. I'm sure all this is clear to all of you. Let's take the next one, next part. This gives you 16 into 180, that is 16 into 18 into 10. How do you do this? You can read as 17 square minus 1 into 10, 289 minus 1 into 10, or you can say 2880. This is your answer. Okay, dear friends. Next one. Yeah, students. The next question we have is the measure of each interior angle of a regular octagon is. See, the answer is 135 degree. How come? What is the exterior angle? Exterior angle is 360 by 8. That will give you 45 degree. What will be the interior angle? It will be 180 minus interior angle, or 135 degree. I'm sure it is clear to all of you and makes sense. Fine. Let's take the next one. Among the angles, one cannot be an exterior angle of a regular polygon. See, regular polygon has n sides. Okay, regular polygon has n sides. So what the main thing is, 360 divided by this angle should give you a proper integer. This should be a integer. 360 divided by x should be a integer for a regular polygon. If 360 degrees is completely divided by any of these, then divided by this gives you 360 degree divided by this gives you a n, gives you the side as n. Okay, n. So it should be an integer for a regular polygon. If this does not give you a number, whole number, then how will it be a regular polygon? See, first is 360 divided by 30. This gives you 12. Okay, 36. This gives you 10. 360 divided by 45 gives you 8. So the one cannot be. The last is 360 divided by 50. This gives you 7.2. Okay, this cannot be the angle of a regular polygon. Okay, dear students, let's take the next one. Each internal angle of a regular polygon is 2 times its exterior angle. What we are given, students, I is equal to 2x, then the number of sides of the polygon is. So it's one very important thing. What is the sum of an interior angle plus an exterior angle? This is equal to 180 degree. Okay, sum of interior angle and exterior angle is 180 degree. Let me show you. See, like this. This is the interior angle. This is the exterior angle. So what do you get as I plus x? You get I plus x as 180 degree. Okay. Like this is the interior angle, this is the exterior angle. So what is I plus x? I plus x is 180 degree. Okay, so we were here. I plus x is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, I put 2x instead of I put 2x. I write from here actually. Therefore, 2x plus x gives you 180 degree, or 3x gives you 180 degree, that is x gives you 60 degree. Fine. Does it make sense, dear students? Therefore, x is equal to 360 degree. This is your answer. Then the number of sides of the polygon is, so you have got x is equal to 60 degree. Number of sides will be how many? Number of sides will be 360 divided by 60, that is 3 sides. Okay. I'm so sorry. 360 divided by 60 is 6 sides, and I'm sure it must be clear to all of you now. Should I proceed ahead, dear students? Fine. Find the value of A, B, C, D. So, however complicated the figure may appear, but the basic thing is, what is this? This is one triangle. This is what? This is one triangle. Okay. And this is what? This is your second triangle. So we have two triangles. When we have two triangles, what will be the sum? 2 into 180 degree, that is 360 degree. I'm sure it must be clear now to everyone. Okay. The next question is, this. Okay, we are given a question, but we are not given the diagram. Let me draw the diagram for you. Find the sum of angle A, B, C, D, E in this figure. Okay, what is the figure? Just a second, just a second, just a second. Let me take a good pen. Yeah. In this figure, so there are two, three methods of solving this one. Look, first is, suppose I say these are A, B, C, D, and E. What will happen now? Let's talk about any triangle. These are angles A, B, C, D, E. This is E, this is D, this is C, this is B. Okay, let's talk about this angle. This is A. Suppose this angle is X, this angle is Y. I'm talking about this angle. Okay. Now, what is the value of A plus X plus Y? A plus X plus Y. This is equal to 180 degree. Obviously clear to all of you. Then, what is this X? Dear students, if I talk about this X, I know This x is the exterior angle of this triangle. Okay, so this a I write as a, this x I write as d plus b. Exterior angle is equal to sum of two interior angles, d plus b. This y, oh my goodness, sorry. Yeah. Now this y, if I consider this y can be treated as the exterior angle of this triangle. This y can be treated as the exterior angle of this angle. So this y will be written as c plus e. This is equal to 180 degree. You have got the answer very easily. Okay, difference. Automatically you got this. A plus b plus c plus d plus e is equal to 180 degree, and I'm sure this must be clear to all of you. Okay. Now another method for doing this sort of question is, look, if I ask you to consider, to assume this figure as a regular star. What does the word regular star means? Look, let me draw the star first. What does the word regular star means? If I complete this figure, okay, like this method will make it even more easy for you. Okay, now this is a pentagon. This is a regular pentagon. What is the exterior angle of a regular pentagon? This, suppose these vertices are P, Q, R, S, T. This is the exterior angle of a regular pentagon. Okay, assume the star to be a regular star. Regular star. Therefore, PQRST is a regular pentagon. PQRST is a regular pentagon. This is the exterior angle of a regular pentagon. So this will be equal to, therefore, angle, this angle will be equal to 72 degree. Now, my dear beloved students, all these angles will be 72 degree. This 72, this 72, this is A. What will happen? A plus 72 plus 72 is equal to 180 degree, or I can say A plus 144 is equal to 180 degree. From here I get A is equal to 36 degree. Similarly, this, if this is vertex B, this is vertex C, angle C is equal to, angle C is equal to 36 degree. This angle D is equal to 136 degree, 36 degree, I'm sorry. This angle is also 36 degree, this angle is also 36 degrees. So what do I get? A plus B plus C plus D, 36, 36, 36, 36, 36. That is equal to 180 degree. One more easy way of doing this question. Okay, just so it's clear to all of you. Now let's move to some very, very good questions. You will love them. Okay. Let me show you some questions. The next question we have is, it's actually a little bit lengthy question, but I will tell you a very, very, very lovely shortcut for this. See students, find theta in the figure given below. You have this figure, you are being asked to find theta. If you could just see, there are two, three ways of doing this, but let's start with the best approach, the direct approach, which will save a lot of time for you. The best approach is you have a property of a circle. This is a circle. Whatever the angle is being made over here is double of this angle. That is, if this angle is theta, this angle will be 2 theta. Very clear to all of you? Okay. Now, if I say this is a circle, this is a regular hexagon, so this becomes a circle. This is a regular. Each of the angle will be how much? This each of the angle will be 60 degree. Let me draw a figure again. To make things more convenient for you, I'll draw a figure again. See, you are being asked about this angle theta. It's like this. Or you can also say, fine, it's like this. Before I proceed ahead, this is the center. What will happen if I join all these? It will be a verbal answer, students. I just need to tell you the basic ones. If I join all these angles will be how much? Each of the angle will be 60 degree. Why? Because when you add them, you get 180 degree, 360 degree. Okay, each of the angle is 60 degree. Now, if I let's say one side makes an angle of 60 degree, this is 60 degree angle. This is also 60. So this angle is 120 degree. If this chord makes 120 degree angle over here, okay, let me see if I can rotate the figure, which I will definitely be able to do it. Yeah, the figure we have right now is this. So the thing is, at the center, this makes an angle of 120 degree. So this angle will be how much? This angle will be 60 degrees. So easy to solve. Okay, dear students, this is one way. You get it as 60 degree. The other method is, my dear students, this is a regular hexagon. This is a regular hexagon. This side is in front of these, like these two angles are, these two sides are equal. This angle is 60 degree. Whatever the sides, see all, okay, this angle is 120 degree. What I mean to say is this diagonal is by two sides. This diagonal is also in front of 120 degree angle between two sides A and A. This diagonal is also between 120 degree angle between two sides A and A. So automatically this will be a equal. All these three sides are equal. This will be a equilateral triangle. So this angle is equal to 60 degree. Okay. Let me show you one more question. I can even increase the size from here. See, find theta in the figure given below. Now, dear students, what? This is a pentagon. So this angle will be, if I talk about this one angle, this angle will be, there will be five equal parts of this angle. Getting it? There will be five equal parts. So this particular angle will be what? 360 by 5, that is equal to 72 degree. If at the center this angle is 72 degree, here it will be 36 degree. Can anything be easier than this? Honestly, dear students, can you see, can you even think of anything which can be easier than this? Let's move ahead. Let me take More questions for you. We have this angle. We have to find this angle theta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 60 degree. Now what will happen, dear students? See, this is the center. This six sides, so this angle will be 360 by 6. That is, this angle will be 60 degree. Now this particular chord makes an angle of 60 degree at the center. So this chord again will make what angle at the circumference? This angle will be 60 by 2, that is 30 degree. Does it make sense? Am I clear to all? Next one. This has how many sides? One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sides. So let's talk about this. What will be this angle? The angle at the center. This angle will be 360 by 8. This angle will be half of this. So again, half. This is 45 by 2 or 22.5 degree. We are genuinely making a mockery of these questions. I hope you realize what we are doing. Can anything be better, easier than this? Whosoever has framed the question must have thought a lot that it will be a little bit difficult or something or anything, but the way we are doing it seems like nothing is difficult. Now comes the other thing, see students. We have to find this angle theta. You have to visualize how is this angle theta. See, first of all, how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this angle is being formed by these three. 1, 2, 3. So center, what will be the angle? Center at the center, this will be like this. See, this angle will be what? This angle will be 360 by 8. There are how many angles? There are total 3 angles, so it will be 3 into 360 by 8. And since this angle will be what? This angle will be half. Okay, so that will be 3 into this thing you have just calculated 22.5 degree, 67.5 degrees your answer. Okay, dear students, next one. Find theta in the figure given below. Dear students, the thing is, see, this vertex is joined to another vertex after leaving one vertex in between. Like this, I skip one vertex, then I again skip one vertex. Okay, then this vertex is joined to the other vertex again by skipping one vertex. How come this vertex, then I again move? So like this. So I will draw all the vertex. Okay, I will connect to skip this one, take the next one. From here, I skip this one, I take the next one. Okay, from here, this from here, I skip this one, I skip this one, and I move to here. Okay, so what I get now, the figure which I get now is again a regular polygon. The figure which I get now is a regular pentagon. So what will this angle be? How easy? This is 108 degree. The angle of a regular pentagon is 108 degree. Clear? Next one. See, you have to find this angle theta. this angle theta is being made by this chord. Okay, this chord makes this angle theta. What will happen? What will be this angle? Dear student, this will be 360 divided by 5. Why? Because there are 5 vertices. 1 2 3 4 5. Now this chord subtends an angle theta at the whatever angle at the center. So this will be half of this. So that will be into half. Okay, so this gives you what? 360 by 10 or 36 degree. Clear? Next one. Just one or two more questions after this, then I will wind up the class. The next question we have is you have to find this angle theta. See, how is this angle theta being made? This angle is made by two, these two. Okay, like one, let's say this is the center. So this will be 360 by 5. This will be 360 by 5. So combined together, this angle will be what? Double of 360 by 5. But I'm talking about the angle at the center. So angle at the circumference, this point will be half of this. 2 and 2 cancel, so that gives you 72 degree. Okay. Next question. Just two more questions, one and another one. Now this is an octagon. Now we have to find this angle. See, the main thing is how is this line being made, this chord being made? 1 2. How is this being made? 1 2. So you need not do anything. This angle will be what? This will be, see, let me complete this once again for you. I draw this, I draw this, I draw this, I draw this, I draw this. Now what do I have in front of me, dear students? This is like this is like this. So this is like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. This is again a internally, this is again an octagon. Okay, dear students, let me show you. This is again a octagon, like this is an octagon. You are being asked about this angle. This theta is the angle of a regular octagon. What is the angle of a regular octagon? That is 135 degree. This is your answer. Let's take one last one, then that will be enough for today. One last question. I think I have done them. Okay, let me take. Just give me a second. This is the last question for the day. You have to find this angle theta. What I will do, dear students, I will directly say this is 1 2 3. Main thing is, first of all, you skip one side, you move to the second one. From here, you skip one side, you move to the second one. This is a regular pattern. So this angle will be what? Angle of a regular hexagon. Okay. What is the angle of a regular hexagon? That is 120 degree. Quite easily done. Okay, dear students. So I hope that's enough for today. Bye bye. I will meet again with you tomorrow. Till then, keep on practicing. Practice as much as you can. Please solve the questions by writing. Don't just merely watch the videos, otherwise, you won't gain anything. So kindly, dear students, practice as much as you can. My handwriting is a bit poor right now. Maybe I'm a bit too tired. So practice as much as you can so that in your exam you attempt them in minimum time. Bye bye. Take care. Good night. I will meet again with you tomorrow. And tomorrow we will be doing basic proportionality theorem, very important tool, and similar triangles. Okay. Bye bye.